Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving any other open work because you may need to force close Word. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC and select Word. End task if it is hung. Next, relaunch Word in safe mode by holding Control while opening it. This prevents add-ins from loading. Once done, go to File Options Add-ins and manage COM add-ins. Uncheck suspicious items and click OK because add-ins are a common cause of freezes. Now focus on repairing and updating Office to fix corrupted components. Open Control Panel Programs and Features, select Microsoft Office, then choose Quick Repair. If problems persist, run Online Repair for a deeper fix. Make sure Windows Update and Office updates are installed, and restart the PC to apply changes. Also, verify if the document is on a network drive. Move it to a local folder to rule out network latency or permission issues that make Word hang. Finish by isolating user-specific settings and templates, which can cause recurring freezes. Create a new Windows user profile or sign in with a different Office account to test whether the issue is profile-related. Delete or rename normal. DOTM to reset templates, and clear temp files using %temp% to remove corrupt caches. If Word still misbehaves, boot Windows into safe mode to isolate startup services and drivers. That step often reveals third-party conflicts. If identified, uninstall the culprit and retry Word.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.